Welcome to India, a land where tradition meets progress, where modern roads weave through fields that have fed generations, and where every path tells a story. In the heart of rural India, life thrives in harmony with nature. Here, homes are nestled between vast fields where the rhythm of the land guides every day. In these villages, every sunrise brings a new promise, and every field tells the story of labor, tradition, and timeless connection. From the quiet beauty of India's villages to the grandeur of its iconic monuments, we now stand before one of the world's greatest wonders, the Taj Mahal, a symbol of love, devotion, and India's rich heritage. Standing tall in New Delhi, the India Gate honors the brave soldiers whose sacrifice shaped the nation's freedom, a lasting symbol of unity and pride. The Red Fort, a majestic symbol of India's independence, stands in Old Delhi as a proud reminder of the nation's strength and resilience through centuries. These sacred spaces connect the past to the present, embodying the country's rich spiritual heritage and unwavering faith. Humayun's tomb, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, showcases the grandeur of Mughal architecture and stands as a precursor to the iconic Taj Mahal. The serene Dargah Hazrat Bal Shrine, nestled by Dal Lake, holds deep spiritual importance, revered as a sacred site in Kashmir's rich cultural tapestry. The Golden Temple, a symbol of peace and unity, radiates a divine glow in the heart of Amritsar. A sacred sanctuary for millions, it stands as a testament to Sikh devotion and India's spiritual diversity. Amber Palace, with its stunning blend of Rajput and Mughal architecture, stands as a majestic reminder of Jaipur's royal heritage. Its intricate halls and mirror-studded walls tell stories of a regal past. The towering Adiyogi Shiva statue, a symbol of peace and spirituality, stands as a guiding force for millions. Here in the heart of India, it reflects the timeless connection to the divine. Holi, the festival of colors, fills the air with joy, unity, and celebration. It's a vivid expression of India's spirit, where people come together to embrace happiness. An Indian wedding, where tradition, love, and vibrant celebrations unite families in a bond of joy and devotion. In every beat and graceful move, Indian dance tells stories of joy, devotion, and cultural pride. Whether it's the energetic Bhangra, the soulful Kathak, or the festive Garba, each dance form brings people together in celebration. Dance in India isn't just art, it's a celebration of life, passion, and shared traditions. From above, the world transforms into a serene blanket of white, stretching endlessly under the winter sky. It's a peaceful, breathtaking view. The snowy expanse, untouched and vast, feels like a winter wonderland, silent, pristine, and timeless. The sacred river Ganga flows through India's heart, a symbol of purity and devotion. Its waters, cherished by millions, carry the essence of spirituality and the beauty of India's soul. The golden sands of Rajasthan stretch endlessly, painting a picture of India's majestic desert beauty. Here, under the vast skies, the desert whispers tales of history and resilience. From the tranquil desert to the lively shores, India's coastline offers a different charm. Pristine beaches with endless blue waters and sunlit sands welcome travelers to a paradise of relaxation and natural beauty. India's beauty is incomplete without its vibrant bird life, each one adding color and life to the landscape. From majestic peacocks spreading their feathers to migratory birds gliding over wetlands, these creatures are symbols of freedom and grace. As they take flight, they weave seamlessly into India's natural beauty, reminding us of the harmony between life and nature. The streets of India are a world of their own, alive with colors, sounds, and stories. Every corner tells a tale, from the laughter of children to the aroma of spices that fills the air. This is where tradition meets modernity, creating a harmony unlike any other. Under the vast Indian sky, farmers work tirelessly, cultivating the soil that sustains millions. With each seed they plant and each harvest they gather, they weave resilience and dedication into the fabric of the nation. Their hands, weathered by hard work, are the true strength of India's heartland, nurturing life with humility and care. With humble stalls and open hearts, India's street vendors bring color and flavor to every corner. From dawn till dusk, they work tirelessly, each smile and greeting a testament to their strength and spirit. Through simple moments, they add warmth and life to India's bustling streets, creating a bond that enriches the community. In every prayer, every whispered wish, lies a profound faith that guides and uplifts. The people of India hold their gods close to heart, finding strength, wisdom, and peace in their devotion. This unwavering belief is a gentle reminder of love, hope, and the sacred bond between soul and spirit. These young minds are the hope of tomorrow, India's future in the making. With every lesson learned, every dream nurtured, they are the warriors of a brighter future. Together, they will lead India forward, carrying the light of knowledge and courage. This is India, a land of beauty, strength, and soul. Thank you for joining our journey. Like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, See you in the next one.